Back everyone. So this is Drone Drop for June 2018. So let's see what we got in here. Alright. Let's see here. Oh, looks like we got a Ombius F4 V5. So I've got a couple of these laying around today. I guess we're starting with the big item first. So yeah, I've got a couple of these laying around already. So this is kind of not the best boost for me. But I mean, it's a good flight controller. So let's move to the next thing. It looks like we got some Ethic stickers here. I've already got some of these, but yeah, that's a pretty cool logo. Alright, here is some props here. It looks like we've got some H-Cure Durapro props. 5.1 times 4.6 three-bladed light teal. Alright, you get 1, 2, 3 sets of props. Looks like we've got some soft mounts here for the FC. So these always come in handy. I do really like these. Let's get 4 of them. Alright, looks like we get 4 LEDs, tiny LEDs. I would say these are orange. I don't know for sure. Haven't used these yet, but I do have some. I don't know how good they are. I heard they're pretty good. I don't know what voltage these are. It doesn't quite say. I know I've seen some for 5 and 6S and some for 3 and 4S. So I would assume, to play it safe, I would probably stick to 4S batteries on these. But I don't know. Maybe they are 6S. Looks like we got another sticker here. Tiny LED sticker. Looks like we get a Rotorex battery strap. And then we've got a Black Sheep, looks like a lipo bag. I prefer the box tile with the zipper, not Velcro. I've actually got a couple of these that I don't even use. There's some non-branded ones, but I mean, I guess these would be useful for someone. So yeah, so that is the Drone Drop box. Nothing else in there. Not a good box for me personally. I mean, I guess the values here, this is really a box for maybe someone that's just new to the RC hobby or the quadcopter hobby. Not really the best box for me. Probably the only, I guess the LEDs are pretty cool, and it's just, yeah, not a big fan of this box. But hey, I guess when you do a subscription service, it is a gamble. So, but overall, I mean, like I said, values there, just not really the box for me. But yeah, thanks a lot, Drone Drop, and have a great rest of the day, everyone, and thanks for watching.
Make the ground shake.